Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the Stussy and Nike Air Force 1 mid-top. By the way, my son copped this, so I tried to cop the tan color and then black and white color, but unfortunately by the time I was in line and then it was sold out. By the way, the retail price on this is $150 each pair and $5.99 for shipping fee. The tax on this is $13.13. So the total damage for each pair is $169.12. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up and see what color is this one. He bought two pairs, so oh, there's the invoice here. So here's the item number and then product description. It seems like this one is the black color. Wow. Called the sticker. Nice. It says Stussy Designs. Got a nice bubble wrap. Prevent from scratching. Oh, there's another sticker. Here's another sticker. So colorful. So got two stickers. Nice. And then check out the shoe. So it's the on the top. It's like a beige color with this red Nike and Swish logo on the top. And this side you got the Stussy. Color opening right here. Nike Swish. Got the Stussy again. Let's go and check out the size label here. Got a cutout. Smaller Nike Swish. And this pair, it is made in Vietnam. Here's the barcode number. It's a sticker here. And then the box is made in China. Let's go ahead and open this up and check it out. There's a stamp number in red color. Nice. You got the Stussy logo right there. You got the black shoelace. And got the embroidery Stussy right there. On this Velcro strap. Top of the tongue, you got the Stussy and Nike swoosh logo on there. New York, Los Angeles, Tokyo, London, and Paris. Got the extra shoelace. On the tip it says Stussy. And you got the Nike on the back. Wow, look at on the back. On the back got the nice Stussy logo. And on the inside got the man sticker. Size 8.5, and then Nike's swoosh air. Let me turn the light and check out this size label there. Go and check it out. Zoom in. And also it is in a black color. There's your Nike swoosh logo right there. Go and check out the other side. Well, anyway, I hope you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace.